Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread for the week of January 29th through February 4th in my horizontal classic happy planner that I use for like daily journaling. So I'm going to be putting my word of the year in here somewhere. I'm going to use inspirational quotes for, and then blue winter. So these stickers are so fitting for cold weather. So I'm going to use these in this spread. I have my little insert here. Hopefully I'm not going to forget to decorate that like I normally do, but we'll see. All right, so let's get started. I got to put this somewhere. I always make such a mess whenever I film. Okay. So let's see. Probably going to use some of the big stickers. And these little gnomes are adorable. Just got to figure out what I want to use and where. We're going to put snowmen in this bottom corner. Oops, I'm going to cut his arm off. It's okay. Sorry, snowman. What can I put down here at the bottom? Let me get my small. Did I not? Here we go. Decisions, 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 y'all. All right, so I think what I'm going to do is put a quote down here at the bottom and then decorate around the quote. So I want to use be real, not perfect, because Lord knows we ain't none of us perfect. And if you say you are a liar. Okay. And then I think I want to take a little bow. This would be cute. Let's do this. This is going to be cute. I can't find the edge of the sticker. Okay. Look how cute that is. All right, let's cut this excess off. We'll lay down a couple boxes and we'll decorate around the boxes. So I don't know that I'm going to use the sticker kit. I think I'm going to use, this is my old style box. I go back and forth on what style boxes I want to use. I don't know. Y'all tell me. What do you like better? Now, where do I put this? I think we're going to put it here. I'm going to try not to white anything out this time and see if it really bugs me to death whenever I write in the planner. We'll see how that goes. And then I think I'm going to take one of these and just offset so that I have the color here. Oh, it's so pretty. I love these colors. And then let's take... What should we take? Let's take a little beanie. Oh, I see. This is one of the... I cut these sticker sheets a while back, and this is one of the sheets that didn't cut all the way through because I hadn't adjusted my blade setting. So these stickers are a little bit difficult to get off the page. I think I'm going to take this. Ugh. I might have to grab another sheet. Okay, sorry. I grabbed another sheet and I forgot to hit record. But I put that up there. And then, let's see. I want to lay this little cup here. Somewhere. Maybe down here. Alright, so now I feel like I want to grab my kit and pull one of these brown colors off like the side here. We're just going to go all out. I'm going all out on my stickers today. So cute. This is probably going to drive me crazy, the shading behind the boxes. I normally white that out. I'm trying not to be so OCD about things these days, but we'll see if it drives me bonkers or not. I don't know. All right, let's see. All right, this is so cute already. I love it. So some of you may be saying to yourself, okay, so if this is a journal, where are you going to write things at? Well, I have sometimes a hard time, like, actually not sometimes, all the time. Like, I don't just spill my brains onto paper. I actually kind of just highlight the day. So this is normally a lot of room. There's not a whole lot that goes on in my life every day. So, you know, I'll just highlight, went to the doctor said this, or felt good today, very productive, you know, yada, yada. So I don't need a ton of room to journal, but if I do, that's where this sheet will come into play. This sheet I will place in my planner in the middle of the spread, and I can just put the date here and continue on. So it's no big deal if you over decorate and you don't have room to write on your planner spread. That's just not something that I've ever really worried too much about. Okay, so let's kind of do the same thing with boxes over here on this side. I'm going to go ahead and do the boxes first before I lay anything decorative down, because my boxes, since these boxes are so prominent over here, I feel like I need to kind of do the same thing over here to balance it out. So let's do this over here on this side. And then we'll take another brown one. Now this brown one, this is my old sticker kit design that had like little decorative pieces in the boxes. I found that I didn't really like that, so I quit doing it. The stickers in my shop are all stickers that I would personally use. So I don't make things just to make them and sell them. I make and sell what I use personally. So I don't like the little decorative pieces inside the boxes. I like to decorate, and I like to have boxes. So I don't want my boxes pre-decorated. So that has been discontinued, but I did not go and change any of the old designs. I don't have time to do that. I wish I did, but I don't. Okay, so now I think I'm going to take a big snowman, another snowman, and put up here at the top. And then I think I'm going to take my quote, and I want to use dance to your own rhythm. And we're going to put it here with Mr. Snowman telling us to dance to our own rhythm. That's so cute. Okay, and then let's decorate a little bit around the boxes, kind of like I did over here. So let's take... let's take this little, pine cone and put down there. Now, I just said all that about boxes, okay? But listen, let me just clarify. I will decorate a box if I want it decorated, okay? I don't want it pre-decorated, so I'm going to leave it at that, all right? I don't want my boxes pre-decorated. Okay, anywho, let's put a bow up over this quote to kind of make it look similar to the other side. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. All right, and then what do I want to use now? I need something down here. I guess we'll use a little gnome guy. But which size do I want to use? I don't want to use the great big one. We'll use this size. It's so cute, y'all. Isn't it so cute? Look how cute it is. All right, I think I want to put one of these lanterns. Yep, I want to take this little lantern just because it's cute and I can, and put it right there. All right, this spread is so cute. It's so far out of my norm, but it's just cute and happy. These stickers are cute and happy, and I love them, so I used them. All right, so you can find these stickers on my website, these quotes. You can do your own, oh, I forgot my word. You can do your own custom word of the year words on my site. Everything can be found at thepleasantlyplanned.com. You can use the coupon code YouTube30 to save 30% off. But with my new release coming out, like I said, I'm going to give a special coupon code that's probably going to be around 35 or 40% off. So make sure you sign up for emails. Now, if you made it this far and you want to see a sneak peek as to what's coming, this is what's coming. So we have 4 new designs. I always try to release 4 designs. That gives you, if you only want to order once a month, that gives you a new design for each week of the month. Okay, so we have Radiant Petals. That's the mini size. These are on sheets that I haven't cut yet, so just imagine it's half if you're new here. This is my large sheet. Delicate Petals, or not delicate, Radiant Petals. We have Feathered Friends. I love these colors. They're so vibrant and so pretty. Rainy Days. So it's getting ready to be rainy season. March is like monsoon season. So these are going to be super fitting for March. And then we have Violet Bliss. These, let me show you, in the bigger ones, are just some really pretty like outlined florals. I love the outline, so super, super pretty. I already have the florals all ready, as you can tell, but I am working now on the matching boxes and sticker kits. So those will all be ready on Friday, February 2nd. Okay, so that's it for this video. Let's put it back in my, oh, I forgot to decorate that. I'm not going to worry about it. I knew I would. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to stick it in there, and if I need it, then I'll throw a couple stickers on it. So anyways, let's put it back in my planner. See what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, and you want to see more of my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. This is my most active platform here on YouTube, but I do post on the other 2 sometimes. I'm also on Facebook, and I have a Facebook group. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Love y'all. Bye.